Hey everybody, this is Captain Nick with MarineMax. I'm over here in Norwalk, Connecticut. Today we're going to go over if your engines do not start and what to do and what procedures to go through to check to make sure everything is operational before you go on. The first thing you want to check your battery switches. You want to make sure that all your battery switches are on and your keys should be in the on position. The second thing you should check is your engine in neutral. If your engine is in gear, it will not start. These green neutral lights should be on and should be engaged. Number 3, check your kill switch. If your kill switch is down, your engines will not start and you have alarms such as this. Put your kill switch up and you should be able to start your vessel. Now, after you've checked all 3 of those things, if you still having an issue and your engines are not starting, please contact us at customercare@marinemax.com or call our office, our service department. I really appreciate you spending the time with me here today. Again, I'm Captain Nick from MarineMax. I hope to see you out in the water.